Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this medium-sized air purifier. This is going to be a product overview video. So let's get into it. Let me show you how the product looks, all the features it has, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So here's your air purifier. It's nice and sleek. So it has your display screen here. This is where the air comes out of. Through here is where the air comes in through to clean it. So let me show you the filter. So it has, here's the cover. You have your pre-filter that you could clean. And then here's your HEPA / carbon filter. So here's a HEPA filter. And then on this side, on the back, is the carbon filter. And then here's your fan right here. So put it on, all you do is just slide it in and then pop it on. Everything's very easy to take on and off. On the back, you see right here, it has a handle. This area right here is that you're able to put different aromas in here if you want it to smell. And it also comes with extra foam pads, so you could put different scents in here. On this side right here, this is your dust sensor right here. So you just gently clean this area right here with the Q-tip just to take off any dust that's accumulated in there. Leave this foam pad on this side there. Okay, so let me turn it on for you. So when you're ready to turn on, you press the power on button right here. So it's gonna go through the cycle to turn it on. Okay, so this PM2.5 number right here, this shows you your air quality, right? So right now my air quality in this room is very good. The blue line also indicates that the air quality is very good. If this changes to yellow, red, that's meaning that your air quality is not as good anymore. This button right here is your fan speeds. There's 3 different fan speeds. So you got your high speed, your low speed, and then your mid speed. You have a sleep mode button right here. So you turn that on, the display will turn off and the noise of the fan won't be so loud, but it's still working. Turn it back on. You have your auto mode. You press that and it's automatically gonna set the fan speed depending on the air quality. To turn it off, you just press it again. Here's your timer button. So you can set this up to 12 hours. Okay, here's your child lock. You just hold that down for a few seconds, so that way, once you set it, it will set the child lock. The next one is your display light. You press that to turn off the display. This button right here is to reset the filter once you change it out. This is a great air purifier to clean the air in your rooms. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great air purifier. I like how bright that the display is. I also like how it tells me the air quality in the room. I also like how it has this indicator. So all I have to do is just look at the light of the bar just to tell me if the air quality in the room is good. I like how it has 3 different fan speeds in here. And I also like how you're able to set up in automatic mode. And I like the timer feature. And I also like the sleep button. I also like how it has the HEPA and the carbon filter. So this will filter out any microbes and the smells from the rooms. So this is a great product to have. Thanks for watching.